we have Raghav ji, and we just attended. There's a fashion show they conducted today on the launch of E-tron.
Yes.
So you talk about E-tron. What is the vehicle, and what is the segment you're looking for?
So, as we are all aware that Audi is starting its electric car journey with the e-tron, and at Audi Delhi South we are very proud that we have now a possibility of e-tron to sell, and customers are very excited about all electric cars, and I think that is the way forward, and we are very excited. And also after the pandemic, it was really nice to have all our customers back to the showroom. We've all had a rough time during the pandemic, but it's lovely, and we hope for more and more sales from ADS.
So
Thank you.
Just last thing, how much kilometers can I drive on a single charge?
So there are different kind of models of e-tron having different kind of mileage. So it's very difficult to pinpoint for each. But there is adequate capacity for it to run around at least, for 350 kilometer plus.
Okay, so
should
you're
be fine.
geared up for the competition. Means the
I mean,
people who entered the segment,
where is the competition
Yeah,
from
no.
e-tron?
That's perfect. So
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
So there, I'm sure
There are enough players,
there'd be other people also coming in with the electric cars, and
Because European
which is very good. Which is very good because the cake will become bigger, and more people will get used to electric cars. Infrastructure will develop. So I feel with the electric cars there'll be more cooperation between the electric car sellers rather than competition.
Okay.
There'll be more cooperation than competition.
Right, so you're way ahead and you're going to have a icing on the cake. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Raghav ji.
Thank you
Sanjay,
so much.
Agrawal. Nice meeting.
Enjoy yourself.